Meaning of exhilarating.
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 Exhilarating. Exhilarating is a word used to describe an experience or activity that is highly enjoyable, invigorating, and exciting. It refers to the feeling of intense happiness, joy, and energy that one gets from doing something that is fun and thrilling. This feeling can come from a variety of sources, such as adrenaline-pumping activities like skydiving or bungee jumping, achieving a long-term goal, or spending time with loved ones in a meaningful way. Overall, an exhilarating experience leaves you feeling alive, rejuvenated, and inspired.